In this harmonious composition, an amazing blend of orchid scents and other scent notes come together, offering an alluring and captivating fragrance. This orchid isn't native to Singapore, but due to its vibrant, beautiful blooms and fragrant smell, it has fast become many orchid growers' favorite and is now commonly found in Singapore. On top of that, we have incorporated therapeutic orchids in our composition. While the infusion of these therapeutic orchid scents imbues a feeling of tranquility, let's learn more about their medicinal benefits and healing properties. These yellow-white dainty orchids are found in China, where it is mainly used to treat eczema and high fever. The entire of this orchid plant can be served with pork porridge to remedy ordinary coughs and asthma, while this orchid is used in folk medicines and consumed as tonic and nutrient to promote overall good health. Further intensifying the complexity of the composition is the inclusion of scent notes such as carnation and sage. Carnations make a deep impression with its aesthetically vibrant blooms with an equally appealing scent. They carry hints of spice and clove-like undertone in a harmonious floral blend, providing a sharp and vivid note to the fragrance composition. A natural sleeping aid, carnation essential oil also helps ease stress, tension, and anxiety, all of which hinders ability to fall asleep peacefully. Characterized by its earthy, herbaceous, and mildly peppery scent, sage is more often used in men's fragrances, adding an herbal refreshment. Therapeutically effective, sage aids in stimulating and clarifying the mind, while exhibiting a balancing, soothing effect in easing negative moods and promoting a sense of attentiveness. Simplicity is the key to elegance depicts this fragrance accurately. A casual yet simple fragrance that is extremely complementary yet effortlessly elegant and refined.